All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. So today I'm going to show you how to calibrate touchscreen sensitivity in your Tesla. So basically, guys, all you need to do is first hop in your Tesla and power it on, okay? And once you're inside, tap on the controls icon on which is located at the bottom of your corner of your touchscreen. This will actually open up the settings menu, guys. Now, what you want to do is look for the display option, okay, within the controls menu. Tap on it to access your display settings, and then what you want to do is scroll through the display settings until you actually see the touchscreen sensitivity option. This is where you can adjust how responsive your touchscreen is to your touch, guys. Okay, that's what you have to do. And now here you're gonna have a few options, guys. You're gonna have a few options. The options will be normal, high, or low sensitivity. Just select the sensitivity level that best suits your preference. If you often find yourself accidentally activating features, you might want to try the low sensitivity, while high can be great for quicker response times. And then after you actually adjust the sensitivity, guys, you just want to exit out of the settings and test your touchscreen by navigating through some of the menus and adjusting some of the controls, guys. Okay, make sure it feels just right for you guys. And bonus tip, guys, if you ever feel the need to recalibrate again, you can simply repeat this step. It's really quick and easy, guys. And that is it, guys. That is it. You have successfully calibrated the touchscreen sensitivity in your Tesla. For more ways, guys, to upgrade your ride even further, guys, make sure you check out that link in the description. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe so I can see you